Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today's look is something a little simple that anybody can do. I'm going to start off by prepping my face with my Wet n Wild rose water, and then I'm going to be using my e.l.f. tone adjusting face primer, and I'm going to put that all over my face. Up next, I'm going to use my Benefit Matte Rescue primer. This is going to help so that I keep my face as oil free as possible. I get really oily on my T-zone. I already did my eyebrows, as you can tell, so go ahead and do your eyebrows, and then we're gonna set our eyelids. I'm using my pressed powder to set my eyelids. Up next, we're going to pick up our Carly by Belle palette, or any palette that you have that has similar colors to these. I'm gonna go in with the lightest shade, and I'm gonna add this to my crease. Then I'm going to go in with the second shade, and I'm going to add this to my crease, but I'm going to put it in lower towards my lash line, and I'm going to blend it all out. I am dragging it down to my lash line because this is going to be the color that we are going to just have all over our lid. Then with a clean blending brush, I am going to go ahead and marry those colors together. As you can see, I picked up a peach shade, and I'm going to add that to my brow bone. Then with my clean blending brush, I'm going to go ahead and blend all of that out together so we don't have any harsh lines. Then I'm going to pick up this cherry colored shimmer in this palette. You can go ahead and pick up any shimmer that you'd like. And I'm going to just pop it into the inside of my crease and a little bit on my brow bone right underneath my eyebrow, and I'm gonna smooth it out with my fingers so it's not too harsh. Then I'm gonna go ahead and go back in with my clean blending brush just to make sure that there are no harsh lines. I'm gonna go ahead and wet my pencil brush with my rose water, and I'm gonna go back into that cherry color, and I'm going to go over what I have already done on my inner corner just so that it can pop a little bit more. So Loca Lashes reached out to me and sent me my very first PR package. It sent me these beautiful lashes in horchata. They also sent me these other ones as well that I love so much, and you'll see them on my next video. So here I am. I finished applying some mascara to my regular lashes, and then I go ahead and replace these amazing horchata lashes. Next, I'm going to pick up my banana powder, and I'm going to go ahead and set the concealed areas. While that is setting, I'm going to go ahead and apply this cream contour from CoverGirl all over the eyebrow, the forehead, underneath my chin, and to cut my cheekbones as well. And here I am having too much fun with this contour. After I feel like my arms are going to fall off from the blending, I go ahead and dust off all the banana powder that I had applied earlier so that we can be nice and set. Then I'm going to go in with my BH Cosmetics Blush and Contour, or Contour and Blush 2 palette, and just go over everywhere I place my cream contour with this color, which I am obsessed with. I feel like it works so good with my skin tone. Next, I am going to contour my nose. Just going to do 2 lines straight down and a little box at the tip like I do most of the time, not every time. Then with a brush, I'm going to go ahead and blend those lines out. And then I'm going to go ahead and go back in with that brownish shade from the blush and contour palette, or tannish shade, I guess you can say, and just go over that cream contour on my nose. So next I'm going to grab the same colors that I use on my lids, and I'm going to place that right underneath my eyelash line. So first the lighter shade, and then we're going to go in with the darker shade and just blend it all out, buff it all out nicely. Up next, I'm going to pick up the e.l.f. Cream Blush in Soft Rose, and I'm going to apply this all over my cheeks. Up next, I'm picking up some highlighter on the tip of my finger and adding it to the tip of my nose and down the bridge of my nose. Using my favorite Bare Minerals lipstick, it's like a cream lipstick, I'm going to go ahead and put on some color to this pout because I swear I feel like I don't have a cute color on my lips anymore. The older you get, ladies. So I'm going to then spray my face with my Wet n Wild Rose Water, and the look is done. I absolutely loved how it came out. I really love the pop right there in the center. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for the likes and the comments. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you're an oldie, thank you so much for coming back. Have a good day, everybody.